History of Boat Lift Helper, a family legacy since 2009. Established in 2009, Boat Lift Helper has been a family-owned and operated venture rooted in the heart of Minnesota. The Mans family, consisting of husband and wife, Tim and Cindy Mans, along with their son, Donnie Mans, took the helm to create a business that reflects their passion for boating and commitment to quality craftsmanship. Best inventions, revolutionizing boat lifting. Boat Lift Helper's claim to fame lies in its revolutionary airlift bags, a product that has transformed the boat lifting industry. Tim Mans, the founder, envisioned a solution that would simplify the process of lifting boats, making it more efficient and user-friendly. The result was the creation of airlift bags that not only stand out for their innovation but also bear the mark of American excellence with high-quality parts sourced from local, regional, and national companies. Recent developments. Innovating for the future. As a family business, Boat Lift Helper remains dedicated to staying at the forefront of innovation. Recent developments include advancements in airlift bag technology, ensuring that boat owners continue to experience the ease and reliability that Boat Lift Helper is renowned for. By continuously improving their products, the Mans family demonstrates their commitment to providing boating enthusiasts with cutting-edge solutions. Current status: excellence in manufacturing. Today, Boat Lift Helper stands as a testament to the success that can be achieved through family collaboration and a commitment to quality. Operating proudly in Minnesota, the company has become synonymous with excellence in boat lifting solutions.